Hey guys, I heard a phrase this week and I just thought I would share it because I thought it was super cool. And basically, what had happened was this guy said to a group of people, and so maybe I guess I'm saying this to you, but he asked them this question, and I actually think it's so simple, but yet it's so profound. And the question was simply this: do you only bless people when they sneeze? Do you, do I, do we only bless people when they sneeze? You know, it's so easy to get caught up in every time someone sneezes, we go, oh, bless you, bless you. But sometimes that's where it leaves. That's where it's left, should I say. That's the last time it happened. And the time before that was when somebody else sneezed. It's so easy, isn't it, just to get caught up blessing people when they sneeze. And I guess the invitation from me to myself, and I guess to you guys and to anyone, is can we learn to be a blessing every day, in every moment, in every situation, in every relationship? Can we begin to learn to live a lifestyle where we are seeking to be a blessing to others, not only when they sneeze, but to be a blessing to our boss by encouraging him, by thanking him, by making him coffee, by being a blessing to the car guards and tipping them extravagantly, by being a blessing to the pick and pay person and smiling and saying, how was your day? Can I pray for you? Being a blessing by serving your family, the food, washing the dishes, tidying up and doing all of it. Being a blessing by letting people in traffic every single day. Being a blessing by praying for people in need around you. Being a blessing by feeding people that are poor, homeless and broken. You know, there are so many ways to be a blessing besides waiting for someone to sneeze. So would we become a people who don't only bless when people sneeze, but we learn to bless each day, each moment, in every situation, so that people can experience love again. People can experience encouragement again. People can experience hope again. People can experience just God's presence again through you. So I just pray, may God bless you. May God keep you. May He turn His face towards you. May He be gracious to you. May God give you peace and the power of His presence as you go about your day, so that you can be a blessing. God bless.